I'm proud of you. Go.
So, also have a lip care. Oh nga pala, thank you for reminding me. I'm still waiting for Skulls. Where's my lip care?
Yung reply mo, go. Ang pangit naman ng sariling flavor beer na lemon. Puta.
This is my lip care.
Nag-soju na lang sana ako. Oh, pareho ka naman nakas. Ayun. Napakalayo sa Cavite. Nice. Okay,
Walang siya. It's from Sunny's Face eh. Lip glaze. Peptide lip treatment. So, peptide is really good for your lips because it moisturizes your lips.
All ears. I-chat ko nga sa'yo. Charot.
Yan siya. Pew!
Nakikita mo yung collarboard ko, guys. I think this is a sign na pumapayot ako.
Sino ba dyan? Diet. Kaya nangyari sa diet natin.
Hindi na ako
Bibili ulit ako nito. Ang ganda nito eh. Tamis din.
okay. Akala ko naman. Thank you so much.
Right, dati.
How about yourself? My emotions.
Sunny's Face.
Well,
I think I'm gonna go now, guys. Guys, alis na ako, guys. Maraming salamat po sa panonood, guys. Maraming salamat sa support, guys. Ako pala ito si Andres, guys. Bye, Skulls. Are you sure you're not gonna send something? Before I leave, Skulls? Bye. Inom muna akong water. Ano na pala akong water? Why you gotta call me out? I'm waiting. I'm still waiting before I end the live, you know? Hi, Rogong.
I mean, in a way na ganun yung naging outcomes.
Bye, guys. I need to end the live now. First impression kay Andres. Grabe naman kayo, guys. Andres nga pala, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support, guys. Akala ko impression. First impression kay Andres, syempre, approachable siya, mabait, ganyan. Sobrang bait ni Andres. Promise.
Kasangga sila ni Honey. Si Honey pa sarili din.
Simula na nawala ako dyan, nagpadikit sila ni Hana. Isa pa to si Hana, nagbasura-basura din mag-isa.
Pero diba, hindi mo, so, pero I'm still learning how to do Tagalog eh. I'm kinda reading the book, you know, nakakabasa pala ako by Bob Ong.
Like, imagine, the person you will be closing with is degrading already.
Memorize. Ba, nakakabasa pala ako by Babaong. April season, hello. Bye na guys. Thank you so much for watching my live. Bye-bye. Bye, Skulls. Thank you so much again for the gift. And for everyone. Chara, thank you. Gigi, Saya, Just Being Me, Secret GF ni Sarah Jo, MJ Katreng, Nika May, Aizel, Yang, Anya, Irenianshe, Lexi, Potato, Jeannie, Aquarius, Aki, Kersil, Luna Space Shop, Scarletta, Mary, Percy, AMNS on January 3, Avi Whip, User 811, Clara Limuel, Drea, Rans, Honey, M. Queen, Keisha, Zimin, and everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.